Hi guys! Magandang gabi. Welcome back po dito sa Gandara SRU. Andito na naman po ako para mag-atid ng latest update and fresh happenings about sa TVJ and the Legit Darikad. So for tonight's video, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay patungkol dito sa mga inilalabas na ratings ni Best Pills at ni Procnoy, ang mga tape defenders na hindi po tumitigil sa pang-aasar at paglalabas do umano ng mga fake ratings, fake na balita kagaya nung sa ASAP, and marami pang iba. So, na-call out po ang dalawa at ibinalita nga na isa pong Facebook page na kung saan ay fake news ang kanilang inilalabas. So, mayroon pong paglilinaw na wag daw pong maniniwala basta-basta rito dahil unverified daw po ang kanilang mga balita. So, ito pong post nito ay nagmula sa DPRS Philippines Commercial Archive. So, fake TV ratings and ad listing by Procnoy and Best Pills investigated by DRPS-PH CA over these issues. So, ayan na itong dalawa pong ito, nakalagay na ho rito. So, mapapansin po natin, meron din silang inilalabas na Pintam and Artam. So, sabi po ng mga netizen, saka lang daw po nila nakita yung mga Pintam, Artam na yan, sa mga tape defenders lang nila yan nakita. Pero, usually talagang pati po GMA Network ang ginagamit lamang ay nutam lang ng Philippine Nielsen. Ngayon, halos araw-araw nagpo-post po sila ng ratings kagaya ng sa Kantar at lagi po nilang sinasabi na sila ang number 1 na noontime show. Pero kung totoo nga yun, ayon po sa iba pang mga Darikads, kung totoo yung sinasabi nila, sana ang GMA Network na mismo ay nagpo-post. Magpapahuli ba naman ang GMA Network? Kung sila ang talagang tunay na number 1, syempre ipopost din yan ng GMA. Pero Ultimo GMA hindi nagpo-post. Ultimo Taping hindi nagpo-post. Tanging mga defenders lamang. Ultimo yung mga trusted pages ay hindi rin pinopost na tahanang pinakamasaya or ang Tape Inc. ang number 1 na noontime show. Kasi tangi yung mga defenders lamang po nila ang mayroong ganoong ratings. And sabi nga dito, fake news, misleading, and unverified. Sabi dito sa mismong post ng DRPS Philippine Commercial Archives, read, fake TV audience share ratings and advertising load that Procnoy and Best Pills has made on their Facebook debunked. We are at DRPS Philippine Commercial Archive to publish a number of TV commercials on our flagship DRPS 1 channel. While we also used their names of their brands advertised on their shows during the commercial breaks. As what we've made on TV ad listing, like those from What We Did on Linlang, TV on Kapamilya Channel and A2Z/TV5. Love Day Repeat on GMA7 and the Zoomers Star Magic on Kapamilya Channel and A2Z/TV5 last January 22 to February 2. And meron naman tayo nakikita din talaga na nakalista po yung mga brands talaga ng mga ina-advertise sa isa pong programa. Anyway, sabi pa dito, but somehow meron daw silang nakikita. We have seen that there are several that one of the noontime shows of Kapuso Network Tahanang Pinakamasaya was claimed to be the number 1 in TV ratings and advertising loads compared to its Showtime and EAT or It Bulaga. As what they've said on their social media post of Procnoy and Best Pills. Saya na, napangalanan na nga. As what Procnoy has claimed on their Facebook post, they claim that Tahanang Pinakamasaya has been voted by 32.3% in terms of audience share, ranked as the number 1 noontime shows on Philippine TV. Whereas its competitors has claimed that E18 Itbulaga was the second with 27% audience share. And its showtime was the third with 21.5 AS or audience shares on GTV. On the other post, from another hand, Best Pills has claimed that the number of TV commercial aired during Tahanang Pinakamasaya on GMA7 was 175 in total without disclosing what are the TV ads are aired in here. The claim has 35 TV ads on GAP1, 47 TV ads on GAP2, and 46 TV ads on GAP3, and 47 TV ads on GAP4. The above claims mentioned are from February 7, 2024 episodes. So, ayun na nga, wala pong inililista, walang patunay kung ano-ano yung mga brands na yon na ganon karami ang kanilang TV commercial. So, para bang sinasabing lahat naman ata kayang sabihin, yon tayo pwede rin natin sabihin, ang Itbulaga, first gap pa lang 100 TV ads na agad. Diba? So, yun yung strategy nila, pero wala nga pong nilalapag kung ano-ano po yung mga commercials na yon. Lack of evidence. All claims that Procnoy and Best Pills has claimed are unverified, making these are false and misleading. Despite the DRPS PHCA did not list up all the TV ads during Tahanang Pinakamasaya. For TV ratings only according to Nielsen Nutam People Ratings, not audience share. Take note daw. Report for February 27, 2024. Source, Bailon ngayon. Credit sa owner, Nielsen. The Tahanang Pinakamasaya on GMA alone was voted by 3.3% of their viewers. So, ayan ha, 3.3%. Pero, ang Itbulaga ay 4.1% at ang its showtime ay leading noontime show of that day voted for 4.2% of their viewers. So, makikita natin dito, no? Yan yung nakaraan po ratings. DRPS na Philippine Commercial Archives assures that these claims from Procnoy and Best Pills are false and inaccurate, as well as for not listing up all the advertisements that might be unverified. Which is why, for full transparency, we created the RPS PHCA TV ad listing to enlist all of the TV commercial like what we've made last January 22 to February 2 in relation to Linlang TV, Love Die Repeat, and Zoomers of Star Magic. So, sana nga hindi lang nung panahon na yan. Sana tuloy-tuloy po ang paglilista ng mga TV commercials para maging malinaw po, transparent talaga. At makita po ng lahat kung sino yung legit at nagsasabi po ng totoo. Anyway, minsan nagkakadeferensya nga rin po yan sa ad rates. Maraming ang commercial mo. Kung mababa naman ang ad rates mo, di mas malaki pa rin ang kita nung konti lang yung ad kasi mataas ang ad rates nun. Anyway, sabi pa dito, we all know that Best Pills was behind this false news about ASAP Natintos and of broadcast that will happen this 2024, which is false and misleading. And we have also issued a fake news alert last February 19, 2024 in relation to the TV ratings of these noontime shows that was made by a fake audience measurement company as well as fake Kantar media survey they've just made claiming that Itbulaga was ranked third and its showtime was ranked second on their ratings game. Besides, the claim of Tahanang Pinakamasaya was the #1 show. So, pati daw po yung sa Kantar, mukhang fake news, misleading, at fake ratings. In short, gawa-gawa lamang nila. So, in a summary, the following post of Procnoy and Best Pills, including its Sax puppets, are unverified, false, and misleading. So, ito po yung mga unverified, false, and misleading news nila Procnoy and Best Pills. The claim daw po about the Nielsen TV audience share of these 3 noontime shows. Ang pinakamasaya, Showtime at Itbulaga. The claim on false TV ad listing that said pages didn't disclose what are the brands TV ads are aired, including its length. Fake TV audience share claims of Nielsen and Kantar media surveys. Procnoy and Best Pills, among the others, are probably owned by the same owner. Probably lang naman daw. Probably for the purpose of sack puppetry. So, yung iba siguro, isa lang yung may-ari. Pero parang magkaiba si Procnoy at si Best Pills, no? Pero yung iba pa, yung kagaya ng Kapuso Alliance, yung mga Kapuso fan page, maybe isa nga lang yung admin, isa lang ang nagpapagalaw. So, ito po yung nilalaman ng mismong post. So, inimbestigahan daw po ng DRPS PHCA. So, paano ba yan? Ang tanging pagkakatiwalaan po nating ratings ay yung Nutam lamang po. And kapansin-pansin ng mga TVJ defenders sa Facebook, ang madalas po nating nakikitang nagpo-post at unbiased sa pagpo-post ng ratings. Kasi kahit po manguna ang Showtime, pangalawa lang ang Itbulaga, ipinopost pa rin nila. Pero yung iba, like yung mga usual, mga mapagkakatiwalaan din naman na pages pagdating sa ratings, ay nagpo-post lang kasi sila kapag Showtime yung nangunguna. Pero pag talo, ay hindi na nagpo-post. Pero ang mga TVJ defenders sa Facebook, talagang unbiased. So, panalo o pinopost po nila yan. So again, ang tanging mapagkakatiwalaan lang po talaga natin ay ang Nutam na ratings. So yung mga Artam, Pintam na nilalabas po nila, sabi dito, is fake news. Pati po yung sa Kantar. No? So yun lang guys ang ating update sa gabing ito. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates.